Hey everyone, it's Jessica and welcome back to this week's thrifting adventure. If you are new to my channel, I mainly go thrifting for home decor and furniture. It is a fun hobby of mine that I enjoy even when I don't find anything at all to bring home with me. Normally I do share things that I purchase at the end of my thrifting videos, but this week was another week in which I found nothing at all that I really loved and that I actually wanted to bring home with me, but I did think it would be fun to share with you guys my new Kiwi Eco box. I just got it in the mail, so if you're curious to see what's in the box, especially eco-friendly products, definitely watch until the end of the video. I will share that unboxing with you guys. So I did go to a couple of different thrift stores in today's video. Right now I'm in Goodwill and I'm just checking out all of the home decor items. And let me know down in the comments what your favorite item was on today's thrifting trip. I really enjoy reading everybody's answers. I thought these little spice shaker jar things were pretty neat. I've never seen any quite like this before. They were in the shape of little books. I also came across this really pretty lamp. It had a rose pattern and it was white, definitely vintage. And I thought it was a pretty good price at only $9.99. I have already left Goodwill and I'm in the second thrift store of today's trip. I'm in the home decor section as usual and I'm just going to walk around to see if I can find anything on my thrifting wish list, and I'll also show you anything that just catches my eye that I would like to share with you guys. So the first item that really caught my attention on today's trip was this beautiful wooden bowl that I found on one of the bottom shelves. It was beautifully stained. It looks like it was handmade and carved. It had some handles. This would have made a beautiful fruit basket. I can't quite make out the price on it, but I think it says $6.99. Even though it was gorgeous, I did end up leaving it behind for someone else. I just couldn't really think of a place where I could use it, and I have a couple wooden bowls already, so I hope someone finds this, and I'm sure it will look lovely in their home. So the next couple of items that I'm going to share with you in the next two clips are pretty interesting. The first one is this little hanging frog, which I think is a vintage ashtray. It looks like there's some little notches down on the bottom where maybe a cigarette would go, but I'm not quite sure. It did say made in Japan on the bottom. I thought it was kind of cool anyway. It did have a chain where you could hang it. I couldn't find a price on it, but I did end up leaving it behind. I also came across this really cool vintage lamp. It was $18.99. It was a very tall lamp, and it was a glass jar, and it was filled with all kinds of little dried flowers. There was an inchworm in there, a mushroom, a bird, a bee, and a couple of other things. I thought it was really cool, so I thought I would share it with you guys. So next I'm going to head over to the furniture section to see if I can find anything interesting, and the first thing that caught my eye was this really pretty blush pink glass display cabinet. Now, if I had a booth in an antique mall, which I would love to have someday, I definitely would have purchased this piece to display items in. All it needed was a glass shelf, maybe in the middle, but I thought it was a pretty good deal at $39.99, and I thought it was really unique. So the last item that I want to share with you on this thrifting trip is my personal favorite, and it's something that almost came home with me, and it's this gorgeous vintage vanity. Now, I have been looking for one of these for what seems like forever now. This one was beautiful. I actually loved the way it looked, just the way it was. It was in my price range, which I'm trying to find one under $100. The style wasn't quite what I wanted. I do want one a little bit more mid-century modern. This one was a little too antique-y for me, and there were some holes in the bottom drawers. The mirror was a little bit wobbly, and there was also some damage on the side. I think it could have been fixed, but I decided not to get this because it wasn't quite exactly what I wanted, and I think if I hold out a little bit longer, I'll find the perfect vanity that's just for me. Now I'm going to unbox and share with you what I got in my Kiwi Eco box. All of their products are eco-friendly, and they are designed to help you live a more zero-waste lifestyle, which I have definitely been more conscious of in the last year. So I'm really excited to share this with you today. I will have their link down in the description box in case you are interested in trying some of their products. They do have monthly subscription boxes like I'm showing you right now, and they also have a regular e-store. So let's say if you wanted to buy like 1 or 2 items that I'm showing you in the box today, you can do that. Everything's individually priced, and I'll have that link in the description box as well. The first item that I'm taking out of the box is a mesh organic cotton reusable bag. It has a drawstring on it. These are great for like produce and bulk items at the grocery store. And there was also a second smaller one inside of the box as well. The next item is a bamboo toothbrush. It's 100% biodegradable. I've always wanted to try one of these, so I'm really excited to try this out. And here is what it looks like when you take it out of the box. So the next item is something that I actually needed. It's a wooden scrub brush. Has a nice long handle on it. This will be good for washing out pots and pans, and it will definitely get a lot of use. So the toothbrush also comes with a bamboo toothbrush holder. This is great for traveling, and I'll take the toothbrush out and show you what it looks like inside of the holder here. As you can see, it just fits down nicely in there, and it has a top. The next item in the box is a reusable mask. It has a really pretty little sea turtle pattern on it. Looks like it's going to be comfortable, and this will definitely come in handy. The next item that I'm taking out smells amazing. I wish you guys could smell this, but it's a shampoo bar, and I've seen these and I've heard of them, and I'm really excited to try this out. So basically you just use this like soap, but instead of using it on your body, you just use it in your hair, and it's handmade with natural ingredients, and it's also vegan. So the last item in my box that I'm going to share with you is an all-natural deodorant stick. It also smells really, really good. It's the Honey Brie deodorant in Citrus Bliss. So the ingredients in the deodorant are organic coconut oil, beeswax, non-GMO cornstarch, unrefined shea butter, vitamin E oil, and doTERRA essential oils. So thank you guys so much for coming along with me on my little thrifting trip. And I also really enjoyed sharing this subscription box with you guys. Like I said, I will have their information linked down below in case you're interested. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next.